Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing you a delicious and unique wrap which is full of cheese, flavor and crunchiness. So let's get started. For this wrap we will be using the universally favorite vegetable, potatoes. Take 2 large potatoes, cut them into cubes. After cutting the potatoes into small cubes, wash them 3 times with ice cold water, or until you see the water is clear after washing it. After washing, drain the water and make sure there is no water left, and we will start with potato seasoning. Add half tablespoon of red chili powder and 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, half teaspoon of salt. Mix it thoroughly. And then in a deep frying pan, add these potatoes and fry them until they become crispy. If you want, you can also use an air fryer. Take them out. Now we will season our mayonnaise for the wrap. Take 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add a pinch of sugar and a pinch of salt. Mix all of this together. For our wrap preparation, take a tortilla and add 1 tablespoon of our seasoned mayonnaise. Spread it out evenly. And then add the fried potatoes. Spread these out. Add jalapenos. This will give it a nice flavor. Add some shredded mozzarella cheese. If you like it more spicy, you can sprinkle some crushed pepper as well. That will give it some nice tinge of spice. Before grilling these tortillas, make sure to grease the upper side of the tortillas. Now grill these tortillas, or you can even use a frying pan if you like. The delicious, cheesy, crunchy wraps are ready to be enjoyed. These are unique and perfect dish that will satisfy your taste buds on your cheat days. Do give this recipe a try. Let us know in the comment section below how you like this, or if you have any other suggestions for our upcoming videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so that you can receive our videos as soon as we upload them. Thank you and goodbye.